Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by updating to Final Cut Pro 10. 6. And enable AI plugins and preferences. Create a new library and import your footage at up to 4K 60 FPS for best quality. Generate proxies set to 1/4 resolution to speed editing on slower systems. Assign your GPU and turn on metal acceleration to gain roughly 25% faster processing during effects and export. Organize clips into events and add simple metadata tags for easy AI sorting. Close preferences and reload the library before applying AI tools. Select a clip and run automatic transcription to generate captions and searchable text for every clip. Use the AI noise reduction and adaptive EQ to remove background hiss and reduce noise by about 60% on average. Apply Smart Conform to automatically reframe 4K clips for vertical or square output while preserving important subjects. Use color match between reference and target clips to harmonize grades across shots quickly. Combine these tools in batches to process multiple clips at once and save editing time. Enable background render and batch process export so editing stays responsive during long jobs. When ready, choose H.264 or HEVC export at 4K with a target bitrate near 100 Mbps for high-quality masters. Select whether to burn captions into video or export separate caption files for platforms. Include your metadata and chapter markers to assist AI indexing and distribution systems. Save an export preset that includes AI cleanup, loudness normalization, and color space to speed future.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.